So we talk about cleaning data and the process you guys run where you have sponsors or experts within the company that will look at the data, look at the output, and make sure it agrees to what their expectations are. So that is very essential so that when it comes to, say, someone like myself, and I'm viewing all of this data, I don't have to worry about, does it tie out to my ledger? Does it make sense? Have the functional owners looked at it, right? It's clean, and it lets me focus on what I'm trying to do, which is improve the profitability, the performance, the growth, whatever the case may be, of my business. I would also add, prior to working with you folks, I tried to produce similar information to this at another company I worked for, and it was done entirely in Excel. And in addition to it just taking way, way longer to be able to do it and relying on perfect spreadsheets and perfect data all the time, you just simply don't have the ease of a tool like this, where you can rely that you're getting clean data so that you can focus your time on the actions that you need to take away from what you're seeing here. We also didn't have the ability to get down to the level of detail that this tool allows you to do. We didn't, you would say, here's transportation costs, and then you'd have to come up with an allocation methodology based on sales or cost of sales or whatever you choose. But you weren't able to get down to, hey, there's 5 different types of transportation expenses that roll into that line, or 5 different types of distribution costs. You're hung up at a higher level of expense. This lets you to get this system allows you to get extremely granular and get at the true drivers of inefficiencies.